In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close a Stripe Atlas company. Navigating the process of closing your business can feel a bit daunting, but don't worry. I'm here to guide you through each step to make it as smooth as possible. First, let's start by heading over to your Stripe dashboard. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do so. Once you're in your Stripe home, you'll want to locate your account name, which you can find on the top left corner of the page. You'll notice a drop-down button right next to it. Click on that drop-down button to reveal more options. This area is where you can manage various aspects of your Stripe account, including accessing your account settings. Next, you'll need to click on Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can adjust various configurations for your account. Once the settings page has loaded, look for the Business section. Clicking on Business will bring up a range of options related to your company's specific details and operations within Stripe. Now, you'll want to focus on the Account Details area. This is where you can find the option to close your account. Look for a button labeled Close Account. It's important to note that closing your account is a significant action and will terminate your company's operations and access through Stripe Atlas. Make sure you're ready to proceed and that you've considered all necessary actions, such as downloading any essential data or resolving outstanding transactions, as this process is irreversible. Before you click Close Account, ensure that you have completed all final business duties, such as notifying any partners or clients and ensuring that your financial records are in order. Once you're certain that everything is good to go, click Close Account. You may be prompted to confirm your decision, so take a moment to review any final details before proceeding with the closure. And there you have it. By following these steps, you have successfully closed your Stripe Atlas company. Remember, if you run into any issues or have questions during the process, Stripe's support team is available to assist you. They can offer guidance and help resolve any problems that may arise. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope this guide has been helpful in navigating the steps to close your Stripe Atlas company. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Have a great day.